Hello, sister. I recommend it to the whole family today. I have a middle-aged model, V-neck. And there's a two-way street here. A big glass. To create the pleated skirt here, ha. Then this model we can sew with materials. Silk linen is fine. Generally speaking, it is a little hard. Then it's going to keep this fold. It's nicer. And now we're going to. Let's start getting into the design part. As a first step, I'll draw the body. I only drew half of the body here. The lower body is folded, so I won't draw. I'll show you how to fold. I took a road. Horizontal from above. Down. Then you will give yourself a lower distance. Waist is equal to 36, and then we're going to build a perpendicular line across it. There's also a perpendicular line here. After that, we've got these two perpendicular lines. I'll measure across the shoulder. The shoulder is divided by 2. Here I have a shoulder measurement of 32 divided by 2, which is 16. I'll take the number 16, starting from this angle. Then I'll go down 4 inches. Next I'll take it to her. Is to divide by the stock divided by the year is equal to 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. From out here, we've got 6. Then connect to point 4. After we connect point 6 to 4, let's start on this road, ladies. The original high road, ha. You measure down a segment with your chest. Divide by 5 plus 2. The chest here is 80 divided by 5 plus 2. I will be 18. I took it down to 18. Stop a perpendicular line across. Then I'll have my chest level. Chest level is equal to chest divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. From the point outside the mattress measured 22. Then there's the waist segment. At the waist level, we're going to divide by 4 plus 2. 6 quadrants divided by 4 plus 2, we get 18. You got through 18. Then we'll float this road together. I'm up 1 inch right here. And starting from the outside, I'm going to measure 8. Petrol TI meter. And then we build a perpendicular line. I'll draw back to petrol. 2 gasoline. And then here you're going to build a perpendicular line down here and then back up to 2 millimeters of gasoline. Split in 2. Split in 2 again. I'll draw the armpit ring. Then this hand will be the waving hand, so from this head and shoulders, you will come out. Give me 5 meters of gas. And then we're going to put a square ruler here. Put the ruler perpendicular here and go down. This is 4.5 inches. Then I'll start to bend. Hit curl in. Then we'll get the armpit line. The steaming hand of the shirt is here. And this neck is it. The neck has the key. So from outside you take in for petrol. Back down. Give me a 6-pack. Then down another bar of gasoline. Then from here I'll put the ruler perpendicular. And I'm going to go through this 6 gas point. Now, when you get to the 6th gas spot, you step back into 1, and we're going to paint the key neck here. And we get the front body of the shirt. From this previous body you will start. Draw for the back. I'm going to draw the body from here. Here are to gasoline. This road is parallel. This road is to petrol lines. And we're going to join this. And the back body, then we drop a gas in the chest. And here I'm going to draw through. The distance is ba. Then we'll get the body first. The back of this shirt. Now I'm going to start cutting for the upper body. And my sisters, remember that this one doesn't have seams. I have to leave the seam. There's a seam to make for the shirt. Then I'll cut the body first along the red line. And now you look. Here I have a waist of 6. Let's say your waistlines. Well, it's not 6/4, it's 80 or 90. So we're going to replace that number here and divide it by 4 plus 2. There's another number you put here. It's the same with the bust size. My model is 80. I put the number 80 in, but for example, your breasts are 120. So we're going to put 120. If we divide by 4 plus 2, we get another number. Come down here. Then this horizontal distance it'll be mine. Different. It's the same. My shoulder measurement here is B2. For example, your shoulder is 45. I took 4. 5 divided by 2, we'll measure it from here. So we can have another shoulder-to-shoulder path. Then all these measurements necklace. Waist circumference. It's all changed from shoulder to shoulder. So you will take my own measurements and put them here. Based on the recipes I gave you, you guys instead. Let's draw the body, Theo. My model. And then after I cut the body first, my back is like this. With your back, you will. Here's the front body. What I left was a gasoline. I left a gas. And then this waist, you'll split it in half. When we do that, we'll be able to draw the vertical side. And along the side, it's going to cut this sidewalk, which is 4 petrol. And here I added to gasoline on the side. Each side when we paint, it's a gasoline. Then we'll get the following body. This body will be the next. Later you will multiply 1. And if you check the zipper, then you'll draw the back line. Here you will multiply by 2. And the body after now to the body before. First, we'll cut the neck. Over here, round neck. I keep it. This will be the front of the body. Body part ha. After you've painted the body first. After that, I will guide you. Give our sisters the way we are. Do it for the lower body. The body below. Well, you're going to expand the raha neck. That's the body of the shirt. It's right here. So with this shirt, it's got lines. 2 lines of palletizer on the 2 sides. The first one you will measure. From here you measure the year of gasoline. Then you measure in 10 gasoline. The middle point is 5 years. Then this year with this year, you will fold. Let's meet at the middle of the year. The year I got this sign. I can see my hips are folding it too. We met in the middle of the year. Then you put this back. After I folded, it's been 5 years when you're lucky. You may lock this part. From top to bottom, you lock the fuel and you iron. Take it along. And then after the next one, we're going to be 5. The year begins at this middle point. Then you continue the year. And 5. From the middle of this year, you'll match the one above. Then here you will gather them. Then after we get it. After these 2 orders, you will place the part, body back in. And we'll strike it fair. Let's cut this part. Then come here, we get the waist. It coincides with the cleavage again. And you remember what? When we measure this waist, we also have to fold it. This part of the body is also. It will be in this position. When we sew it up, it's in this position. Then we will take a piece of the cask, for example, here. You can take the dress box rough 4510. Yes, it's okay. Let's say I take this as 40. Mark this place. Then you'll just put this ruler up. Let's go out. And here you go. Give me 5. Then you will get the dress. There's just the glass underneath that it just pasted out. As you can see, this is the original dress. We apply this all the time, body before and body after. This is the upper body. You see that? And then the body will do the same. We also rank the same. Then we'll get the back body. And I wish you success. If you like this style, you don't know how to sew it, please comment below. Get 10 comments. I will directly cut the fabric. It's for you. I wish you success. Thank you for watching and remember to like the channel. Thank you. Hi. See you later.